Third rule. Third rule is your angle of motion, or what is referred to as the drag angle. Now, what the drag angle is when you have your nozzle set up perpendicular, when you're dropping into your angle of motion or the direction you are taking your puddle, that is the angle that we're talking about. Now, I'm going to recommend this for most beginners who have never welded before. You're going to find that a 45-degree drag angle is preferred, and I'll tell you why. You're not going to be able to see much. It's going to be really hard to see because the helmets are going to be really dark, and also you haven't really acclimated to what you're trying to see yet. Okay, so 45 degrees is going to help you out a lot. Now, later on in your career as a welder, you're going to notice that an increased drag angle from 60 to 80 degrees is preferred for penetration. But right now, let's just stick with 45 degrees. So how that works is if you have a gun like this, the neck is usually going to be roughly about 45 degrees. So the back of the gun handle here, as long as you don't drop that below 45 degrees, you're good. If you do drop it below 45 degrees, you're going to start pushing your puddle up onto its back, and you're no longer allowing the shield gas to assist you with the penetration into the material. So what you want to do, sit it right there, and you're good to go.